are using the error message, a problem was detected with the TrueDepth camera. Face ID has been disabled. This issue can occur due to various reasons such as software glitches, hardware problems, or misconfiguration in settings. Don't worry, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Solution 1. Check out this quick setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID. Attention-aware features also enable haptic on successful authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn these back again. If these options are not available here, then go run a hardware test for your Face ID. Solution 2. Check hardware test for Face ID related issues. Go to App Store, type Check My Device, install and open these apps, scroll down, find out Face ID test, tap Begin Test. Check if your Face ID works from here or not. If this doesn't work, this could be a hardware issue. In that case, you need to go to Apple Care. But before you do, try these two quick settings. Solution 3. Reset Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter passcode. Scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Set up Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. Solution 4. Update and give a reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Go to General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new software update, then update it. If there is no software update, then go back, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the TrueDepth camera issue and Face ID working again. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.